Hello everyone and welcome back to DIY with JULES. Now let's get into part 2 of my home decor and makeover series. I hope you enjoy. In my previous video, I made over my living room. Now come with me as I deep clean my kitchen and do a few DIYs to spruce it up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Take everything off your counters, get rid of everything that you don't need and are not going to use. This way you declutter at the same time that you're cleaning. Be sure to wipe down and disinfect your countertops, your doors, and your drawers. Even get the door of the pantry because you'd be surprised at how many people forget to do that. Be sure you wipe down your appliances and anything you had on your counter if you're going to put it back. Okay, so before I move on, let's start with our first DIY. I purchased these two cutting boards in IKEA a couple of days ago, and I want to incorporate the gold into the kitchen also. I already have a few things in there. I want to add a couple more, and I decided to paint parts of these two cutting boards. And of course, you know, the bling girl has to have her bling. It's incredible what a little paint and a little imagination can do. Now I'll be ready to display them in my newly decorated kitchen. And always remember, less is more. I tend to overthink things and put more decorations than what I need, but when I remove it, my space looks bigger and less cluttered. Aren't these adorable? So I've got a little gold, a little bling, a little silver, and my chinoiserie inspired towels and pot holders. Don't be afraid to mix metals. It looks really good together, and at the end of the day, it is your house. You do what you want. Guys, our house is beautiful, but it is lived in, and I have grandchildren whom I take care of while my daughter is at work. So I have my plastics that they eat in, and I have my glass. I do teach them how to eat in glass, but for lunch and things like that, we eat in plastic plates from Dollar Tree. I finally got my countertop decluttered, and now it's time to give it a good cleaning and start on my second DIY. Another budget-friendly idea would be to purchase these laundry cabinets. Instead of using it for laundry, we are using it for trash, and it keeps the room looking good. It helps keep odors away, clutter-free, and also you can decorate the top and nobody be the wiser. For my next DIY, I have these succulents that I had from Dollar Tree and decided to paint them in gold. I have some hydrangeas and some roses that I had from Hobby Lobby, and I decided to cut them down so that I can put them in my brand spanking new JULES canisters that I bought from Z Gallery. Been waiting for 2 months for these, and I so love them. And here's a final look at how it all turned out. Living room and kitchen, fresh and clean. Well, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you guys being here with me. I have a few more videos that I will be adding to this series. I'm going to be redoing my laundry room and my pantry. I also will be doing some decluttering, so stay tuned for that. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Please leave me a comment, and bye!